Just kidding, I'm alive. I'll live. Maybe. Maybe not. Here comes Tyler. I got hit in the chest by a dragonfly. It hurt. I'm gonna die. Say goodbye to the subscribers. Where'd Brian go? Oh, he's behind us. Rev the engine. Brum, brum. Oh, you missed it. You screwed it all up. Oh well. It's the end of the world anyways. Lady and you're watching this and you want to see my scar, just leave your Snapchat and a scritter in your comment section and I'll hit you up. Just kidding, that sounded really rude. Don't do that because that's weird. I mean, if you did it, you're pretty, I might check you out, whatever. But don't expect anything big from me because I'm not the kind of ladies man you're looking for. Cool freaking stuff. When I was fishing, but I really want to ride because I haven't got to ride. I have my bike over here because we rode over here 2 Tuesdays ago, and then last Sunday because that was my cousin's birthday party, and so we just kept the bikes here because there's no point bringing them home and then just have to haul them all the way back home again. You know, because it's a pain in the butt to get them on the trailer. On and off. So, alright, I'm gonna do a can for you guys. Ready for this? Of course you're not, because you guys aren't ready for this much amazement. Oh, I did it! I did it! You guys can't see it, but I did it. I promise I did it. And then full can. Maybe I should do a full can. Oh, they're stopping. Maybe I gotta sneak up on them. Nope. Can't do that. Maybe I'm really quiet. Maybe I'm really quiet. Maybe I'm really quiet. I killed the bike so they can't hear me. Ready for this? This is gonna be amazing. Rah! You didn't even hear me because I'm amazing. You guys didn't even see it. You didn't see me coming.
Was I going too fast for you guys?
No, I just got stuck behind Tyler.
Yeah. When I get mine, it's gonna be a pretty close race.
Yeah, it probably will.
It's gonna be a pretty close race.
Yeah, it probably will.
You ain't gonna say crap yet.
I could say all the crap I want because you're still on this piece of crap.
Yeah, so what?
Not calling it a piece of crap. I'm just saying it is a piece of crap.
My dad might be in Peoria right now picking it up.
Huh.
You know, he's been gone for quite a while. Yeah.
You know, that's actually...
When I was riding, I'm like, wait a second, I'm getting kind of curious now.
He said he was going to Galesburg to get a part, so...
I'm sure it shouldn't take him that long to get parts.
Yeah,
Galesburg should not be that far. So now I'm really curious.
Man, that'd be cool if he showed up with a dirt bike. You want to ride this?
The store has it, but they won't.
You want to take a lap? You sure? You can do it.
He's probably sitting there arguing with him. He probably is at first. Give it to me right now. I want it right now. I need it.
You want it? You want to ride it?
No.
You want to ride this thing?
No.
Why not? Why? So, you can ride this thing. This thing's faster. Why'd you want to ride that piece of trash? Of course you can. I can hardly hear myself. Maybe just this whole time, my whole life has just been a dream and I just talk to myself. take you guys on flashlight tag tonight. I don't even know how well you guys are going to be able to see, because it's going to be pitch black. But I'll try my best, and you guys might not even see it, but that's okay, because flashlight tag is amazing. And if you want to see some flashlight tag, get off your lazy butt, stop watching this video, and go play some freaking flashlight tag. That's right, I said it. I hope that didn't offend anybody, but I'm just saying. Get off your lazy butt, stop watching YouTube, and play some video games. You know what I'm saying? I was not ready for that jump. I was never physically or mentally ready for it. And it's my fault. Nobody else's. Hey! You want a drag race? Get Brian over here. Wait for Brian. We'll drag race. Me and you, drag race right now. Drag race right here. I'm gonna race that 80 and I'm probably gonna lose, because this KLX is a turd like you wouldn't believe. Unless Brian can actually get it into gear. There we go. There we go, Brian. Way to get it into gear. Tyler's gonna start us. Ready. What are you gonna do? I thought you were gonna throw your hands down. This is why we can't have nice things. Get back here, Brian. By the way, we're racing to the third pole from here. So like 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna pull up. Hold on, I'll just pull up. Here we go, for real this time. I'm long gone. See ya, sucker! I knew I'd win. There's just no way I can lose. Yes! Yeah! I am the champion! God dang it, Brian. Jesus. Now we're freaking ditch hopping over here. Just took off. Like, I got turned around and he was in front of me and I was like, fifth gear the whole way, and he just went, me. Holy crap.
I thought you were in front of him and you know,
dude, he was just like, bee. The motor was straining so hard to keep going. For once in his life, Brian was fully mentally and physically in the same place.
You had a bad takeoff.
Who, me?
No, Brian.
Yeah. He needs to really work on his shifting. Oh well. I lose. I suck. I'm horrible. You did get a head start, though. Wave to the camera. Say hello. Yes, we know you're horrible, and I always win. Because I'm amazing, and I'm better than all you stupid losers.
Make the ground shake.